Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add another bank account on Cashapp. Firstly, you can only add one bank account at a time on Cashapp. You cannot add 2-3 bank accounts together. So for that, firstly just open up your Cashapp application on your smartphone. And once you open it, just click on this profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen. Once you click on that, just scroll down and click on linked banks. Once you click on that, here you will see this option called link debit card, and then click on link card. And once you link your card, you have to come back on this page, and here you will see your bank account linked to your Cashapp. Then you have to click on that particular bank, and there you will be presented with 3 options: remove card, replace card, or cancel. You have to click on replace card, and once you click on it, you will see the long list of banks from where you can select your particular bank that you want to link to your Cashapp. If you don't find the name of the bank in the list, you can simply click on the search bar and search for your bank. And once you click on it, it will redirect you to the page where you have to fill all your bank details. And once you fill all your bank details, that particular bank will be linked to your Cashapp, and your previous bank account that was already linked to Cashapp will automatically remove, because you can only link one bank account at a time. You can't link 2 bank accounts at a time. So this is how you will link another bank account to Cashapp.
If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and I'll see you the next time.